Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're going to begin with the quickest actionable steps to draft with Apple Intelligence. Open the app you'll use, enable the assistant in Settings, and pick a target document. Once done, tap the AI icon or invoke the keyboard shortcut to start a new output. Tell it the desired tone and length, and list 5 key points you want included. This brief setup steers the model. It's faster than editing later and gives you a useful first draft to refine. Now deepen the process by refining prompts and using the tool's controls. Tell Apple Intelligence who the reader is, what goal you want, and include an example sentence to mimic. Make sure to tweak creativity and formality sliders. Higher creativity yields varied phrasing, lower keeps precision. Once the draft appears, edit a paragraph and ask for a targeted rewrite. This preserves your intent while leveraging AI strengths. Repeat targeted iterations. Finish by polishing and securing the output. You should proofread for factual accuracy, proper names, and formatting, then export or copy the final text to your destination and save a version. If something feels wrong, tone, errors, or irrelevant content, try a quick troubleshooting step. Simplify the prompt to one clear instruction, reduce creativity, and rerun. That reset often corrects wandering responses. Finally, when satisfied, lock the version and document any prompt that produced ideal results for reuse.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.